Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Joseph. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I don't know this.
How much does it get?
Ow! Hey.
Oh, that's not
Careful, Dad.
You put it in.
It's a candle.
I got it.
Hannah was hot.
Yeah, take the plastic out.
He got cancer.
You want to eat cake? Go ahead.
Chờ nó cũng nó. Ủa vậy có chị chơi được phô có phô sẽ lột.
Porn.
Ồ chờ chị chơi được phô.
They just don't hold it, bro. That's what it is.
Tụi nó chứ, tụi nó mà. Chị cá cân.
They're not sticking together.
It's frozen. It's the ice cream.
Where is the egg? Why is it so small?
Maybe.
Is it ice cream?
All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. First of all, I thank you for Lila and Ryan come visit us, and we so proud, so happy to see you guys. So
It's good to see you guys.
yeah, my family is good to see you. And wow. Second, thank you for Jose. You work hard, and I hope you're gonna keep up your work hard like this. You're gonna get you succeed in the future. Don't fail me.
That's a lot of pressure.
That's it. And Jishong, third, well, congratulations for you graduate from middle school to high school. One step to another music. And thank you.
I think he likes you. There you go. Your little brother looks good. He's gonna grab your beard. Yeah, he likes it. He likes it.
He doesn't
I
really.
had a little gift for you. I don't know how you spell your name.
That's what I'm saying.
I belong in the zoo.
Hey, stop that.
Zoo.
You're gonna describe.
Very little. So,
Wow, he's on the zoo.
yeah, just a gift.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you rich.
He said I'm rich.
He's like you're rich. Well, I'm middle school.
Yeah, you got. When you're in a high school, we gotta do it again.
$110.
Finish high school.
Yeah.
Ow. What? Kind of, yes. Kind of. Maybe a little bit.
And
Yeah.
okay, you have to say something or
Darren, want to say something? Or, okay.
oh,
I'll
I
say something.
forgot one thing too.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, congratulations to her too.
Yeah.
Jose's girlfriend. We didn't know that you come here, so we didn't prepare everything. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, I can say some, Joseph. Congrats. 18 years old, real man now. And
See?
school,
Be cool.
so that's gonna be great. You're gonna see.
Be excited.
It's pretty nice. It's gonna get boring. So stay out of trouble. Because you're gonna get in trouble, you get bored. But
That's a whole
for
the whole movie.
everybody.
So next year, you should go to Baltimore. So you had what's it called?
Encourage you to keep
Connection.
I got to say.
Man, you want to say something, man?
You go ahead.
Okay. All right. If you don't know me, Brian, I think you kind of talked to us a little bit, but I'm Delilah's uncle. Delilah's dad is my older brother, so we're the only two brothers. And we have another sister who lived in North Carolina, closer to you guys. but she's farther down there. So it's just the four of us. And yeah, well, it's very happy that Lila and Brian, you guys are here to join us too. For a special occasion for Joseph's graduation. We're really happy that you guys came to support Joseph, and even though you guys live very far, you spend the time your precious time to come and support Joseph because he's important for you guys. And he's a family member, so that shows a lot that you guys care about Joseph. Even though he lived all the way up here, you guys down there, you still see that we are family, and take your time to come support him for his graduation. So this is a big support and milestone for you, Joseph, that you finally finished high school. Now you are a man now, or adult. So you're 18 now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 18 now. You're finally an adult. So with becoming an adult, that means the famous Spider-Man word, Spider-Man. Uncle Ben mentioned to Spider-Man with great power comes great responsibility, right? So, which means you are an adult and 18 now. So whatever you do, think before you do, and make the best choice. Because whatever choice you make, whatever the consequence or whatever that's kind of outcome, that's the choice that you make. So kind of like a lot of the stuff that your dad and uncle, maternal, auntie, and we're been helping you guys or leading you guys to make sure you pick a career for you that's going to help you in the future. Your job, your career, your life, your family, all of that stuff. So make sure you think about all of that and make your choice. So don't regret the choice that you make. So make sure that whatever choice you make it in the best way, and make it into where you don't regret. And then also thank the Lord and thank God for everything that you do, and don't forget Him for everything you do. Make sure that God is always with you and helping you whenever you need. In a good time or bad time, remember that God is always with us, and when you feel the lowest, depend on God to help you too. Okay. So so thank you for Delilah and Brian to be here, and Jose, congratulations for finishing high school. And don't know if you have if you picked a career yet to go to pursue. If not, just don't do nothing at home. If you haven't picked up, decide to go to school yet, then go find a job and help your dad, help some of the bills at the house. So take responsibility. That's what becoming an adult or a man. So if you don't go to school, then go find a job. If you don't go find a job, then you need to be in school. Right? Finish your school and make sure you have a career that is gonna help you in your future. So that's something that just think about it. You still have a lot of time. You still have a long life to go. So like I said, make your choice wisely. So that's just a few words of encouragement for Uncle. Okay. And Delilah, even though you live far away, I know that you and your dad and your family, our family has a lot of struggle in the past, and then you went down to stay with your mom for a little bit there. We are still thinking about you when you go down there, and we want you to remember us too, that we're still your family, and we want you to come visit once in a while too. We know that you live far down there, closer to your mom, and then also maybe you like it down there, but all of your family are up here, up north here. So whenever you have time, try to find some time and maybe just call and chat to see what's going on and come visit us once in a while. So, you know, we still consider you a family. We never really forgot about you, alright? So don't forget about us. We are still your family, alright?
Nên được căng
So
cửa.
I know in the past
Chế cắt sàn, chế uống chế.
we talked a lot,
Chúc
but
qua
you
đây.
know, maybe you and Auntie Mai and Auntie Sai, maybe the girls have more deeper talk, but Uncle will just give you a little bit of advice and just make sure that you still have family up here that whenever you need help, we are here to help you too. Okay, so don't forget about us. Yu Zhang, so for you, congratulations for finishing middle school. Work hard. Middle school and high school is not the same, okay? So going to high school is gonna be more challenge. You need to think about, prepare, get ready to whatever career that you're gonna decide to become. You need to start thinking about it and get ready for that. And work hard, not like middle school. Don't slack off. You need to get your grade up, get good grade, study hard, and do well. And make sure you whatever career that you decide on and focus on, and start thinking about and maybe do some research or study about it. Whatever that you like, you want to be. Start thinking about it. High school, 4 years, this come and goes very fast, right, Jose? It's just like when you're just there and then it's already done with 4 years. So 4 years is not long, it's very fast. So you need to really think about it. So make sure, just think about it. You still got 4 more years to go, but just think about what you want to do, want to pursue, whatever career that you want to pursue. Just talk to mommy and daddy and uncle, and we're all here. If you need advice, you need help, you need to find out a little bit more, we are here to help you to figure out the path that you want to go. So we're here to encourage you and to help you. So that's all I have. So anybody else want to say anything? Auntie Mai or Auntie or Mommy, you want to say anything? Or no? Okay. Mai, you want to say anything? Để lăng cấp của tí cấp của hả chị?
Chỉ mua thì chưa hai mẹ thì trong xã cứ ở thủ tua ha, giờ sẽ cái ta thì trong xã giờ này ở đó chỉ là cái nữa ha, khá cho nữa gì, sắp bảo bán nữa nè sao?
Okay. Yeah. She just saying that she's just very happy for you guys to be here and very happy for Jose and continue to work hard and whatever you need, your dad's here to help and ask your dad for help. Why do you have anything to say?
First, congrats to Joseph and Yuzhong. It's a big milestone in your life. There's more to come in the future. I want to also thank Delilah and Brian for making all the way here, for taking some time out of your precious life to be here. It really shows up how you feel, how important our family is. It's been a while. I'm sure Brian, Delilah has shared some stuff with you about our family, and we've been through a lot, and so we thank you too for making it all the way out here. And I hope that you're able to see La Crosse and see a little bit of the small little town for what it is, and enjoy your time here with us. We appreciate it, and we hope that in the future that if you guys find time, you can come back to visit us, and if we have time, we would love to come and visit you guys as well over there, because it's quite a distance. But yeah, we appreciate the time that you guys spent with us, and Delilah, it's always good to see you again.
She's very emotional because she missed you for 4 years, so she's.
house. And first and foremost, we do want to thank our Lord Jesus Christ for giving us, every breath that we take and giving us today, just giving us the family that we have. The things that we have is the blessings from Him. So we want to give Him the thanks. But yeah, if you guys go back home, please just know that we are here too. And Joseph, whatever path you choose, just know that Uncle and I were here for you as well. You are your own person. But Uncle and I, we are here to guide you and assist you any way that we can. If you want our assistance, feel free to reach out. But if you don't reach out, we don't know how to help you. So please feel free to reach out to us or anybody that you feel like you're comfortable with talking to, okay? Again, we're family, and sometimes it can be awkward with family, but just know that we are the very first and the very last person that you're going to go to. Through thick and thin, your family will always be there for you. You have lots of friends, you have lots of other people that's going to be with you, but at the very end, when you have nothing, your family is the one that will always come back and help you. So just know that whatever route you take, whether you stay here, whether you move, wherever you go, we're going to be there, okay? So with that, ask Uncle Makito to come pray for us, and then we can eat because there's no food. It's all cold right now.
Anybody want to say anything?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Jing or Lila or Brian, do you want to
Yes, I got a little surprise. I got a promise ring from my boyfriend.
Oh, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Interesting. Lost love between us as family, but I just want to thank my dad for basically motivating me to do school. And I know you and I have some, in the past we had some interesting topics, but deep down I know you did everything for the best of me, for Jonah. And I appreciate what you did for me. You helped me through life. Jonah, I know you and I have a lot of stuff, but still brothers, and I'm here for you, and you're here for me, right? Lila, Brian, thank you for helping me. You guys really helped me through. I don't have that big words to describe. I'm sorry, it's not really.
It's okay.
I'm a lot. I want to say a lot, but I don't have the right words to say it. I just can only just say, but thank you. Thank you for Uncle Makito, Auntie Maya, Uncle Sai for helping me and my family through life, giving us a little bit of cushion when things get a little too rough. I want to thank Uncle Makito for helping me through a couple hard roads. I want to thank Jacob for making my life a little stressed, but also giving it to me. Yes, there's times where I had full all-nighters because this guy would not stop crying, but he also gave me joy, so thank you. He probably doesn't understand what I'm talking about, but let it be. Also want to thank you, Heaven Sang, and Rosie. Y'all helped me. Y'all don't know that, but y'all actually helped me through a lot. You guys brought me happiness, brought me something to do. And anytime you guys want me to chase you around shooting you with Nerf guns or chase you around play tag, just let me know. I want to thank, finally, Anna, being a good friend of me for all my life. And I appreciate it. That's about it.
You want to say speech? Okay.
It's okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay. Let him say it. Well, y'all see the
Tỏ nên nè, tôi thấy số nhóm bạn nào. Tại thế là chị sẽ mà. Sẽ thổi vô một tiết tia sẽ không bao lâu. Chỉ lo coi nó gì tia nó ướp mà liền thổi cho xem môn nó nhỏ nhá ni chỉ lo nó nhớ họ chỉ lấy môn tới nơi kia nó bó ít con mỏ rồi ở từng cái bánh nó.
See it? I can't see baby though. Right here.
Hey, come on. Nobody business. Okay. Ready?
Baby, walk over there.
1, 2, 3.
Baby, over there.
Baby đi ca sát.
Keep going.
Nên chị chê tao người ta chê nó mau lấy cho đứa xong giờ muốn gì chắc ba.
Xong đâu phải đi sấy là cả.
À chê.
One of those is gonna be good.
Yeah, one of those.
Right.
Hey, Rose.
One of
Your finger needs to get like taped up. Shade or follow.
Lu chưa có tiếng ăn nữa mà. Chứ trả là muốn nữa đâu.
the. Okay, come on, Jesse. Bring your leather brother.
Keep going to the
Still hurts. You should take this.
Even more?
short people on the side.
I want to see it.
Come over this way.
I want to see it.
Right back here, Jesse. You're going back to back.
Tall people on the back, short people on the front. Okay.
Really quick, like
Yeah.
No.
Có nhảy rổ nó bây giờ.
You're in the front.